Replacing the consumables on KODAK Infuse AX scanners. The life of scanner consumables will vary depending on the operating environment, document type, condition of pages being scanned, and adherence to the recommended cleaning frequency and schedule for replacing the feeder kit. The nominal life of the feed roller module is approximately 200,000 scans. You know it's time to change consumables when you notice an increase in multiple feeds or stoppages, or a decrease in feeder performance that is not resolved by regular cleaning procedures. There are two consumable kits available. The large kit contains a pre-separation pad, a separation roller assembly, separation roller tires, a feed roller assembly, and a tire for the urging roller. The small kit contains a pre-separation pad and a separation roller assembly. Before replacing the consumables, turn off the scanner and disconnect its power. Pull the scanner cover release lever, then open the cover. We will demonstrate the replacement procedures individually. To replace the separation roller assembly, first remove the pre-separation pad. Remove the pad by grasping it and pulling it up. Grasp the separation roller assembly and pull it straight out. Inspect the tires. If they are worn or damaged, replace them. Install the separation roller assembly by aligning the tab with the slot and snapping it into position. Install the pre-separation pad by aligning the slots with the holes on the pad and snapping it into place. Next, we'll replace the feed roller assembly. Remove the feed roller cover to access the feed rollers. Grasp the top edge of the cover and lift it out of position, being careful not to damage the paper presence sensor. First, remove the urging roller. Next, replace the tire. Then, install the urging roller, aligning it correctly. Rotate the feed roller assembly clockwise until the flat of the shaft is aligned with the open slot. Move the two white tabs so they are straight up, then remove the assembly. Install the replacement feed roller assembly. Align the flat of the shaft with the open slot and move the assembly into position. Be sure the gears and brackets are aligned so the assembly seats into place. Move the tabs down. Install the feed roller cover by carefully positioning it over the paper presence sensor, then aligning the bottom edge with the scanner and pushing it until it snaps into position. On the main screen of the operator control panel, touch the menu icon, Settings, Maintenance, then Reset for the feed kit counter.